Hello, everybody. Welcome to my mom's channel. I'm here. My mom letting me do this, so I can do it. So I'm right here at the by Honeywell hold out station. So it's gonna be a cool thing, right? A cool thing. So wait. I'll see strobe and you. But I actually see a strobe. Let's go. It's going. That's a strobe. It's right there. That's strobe. It's right there. Right.
Miko, you want a thin one or you want a regular one?
Regular.
Regular? Okay. Regular cheese pizza.
So there's a strobe up there. You can see it, and it's fire. I'm at Pizza Red right now. I found it, and I found a strobe. With an arm that looked like a strobe a little bit. It's just only a dot on it. And go down station. We go like fall down.
The second one.
So it's gonna go like that. I might do